So on the way into work this morning, I noticed some kid had buried his car in the mud. I tried pulling him out with his own ratchet strap, but it just kept snapping.
Poor lad.
So my idea was to go back to work, get the heavy duty stuff and go back and help him.
Easy toaster. Should be good. Yeah, man.
Absolutely buzzing.
No worries, man.
Don't worry about it, mate. It'll be alright, you know. Don't worry about it.
What he does. Gets cars back to normal. Oh, good, brother. No worries.
Unreal, that.
All good. Don't forget to give us a like or subscribe. It's called Transformation, like
Right.
transformation.
Right, okay.
With an O for motion.
Brilliant, you'll be getting a subscription. Where's your fancy boys?
Yeah, you're all good, mate. Cheers. Take it easy.
So just a quick reminder, please stay safe driving in the snow and ice, as what happened here could have been a lot worse. You could have had a head-on crash with any two of the trees or the lamppost.